Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your existing account on Affirm. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and in the address bar type in affirm.com and press enter. This will now take you into the official website for Affirm. Now from the home page, in order to log into your existing account, hover over to the sign in button at the top right corner and click on sign in. Now you will be taken into the sign in portal. Now from the sign in portal, you will simply need to enter your phone number and then click on the continue button. Once you click on continue, you will receive a verification code through SMS which you can enter in the next screen to directly log into your account. After you enter the verification code and click on the login button, you will directly be taken into your Affirm page. And now you can start shopping with Affirm and browsing through various services that it has to offer with your account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on Affirm. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.